you need to update a individual user's enrollments, for example, maybe they have the wrong end date for their enrollments, or maybe the start date needs to be updated, you have the option to do that in bulk for all of their enrollments at one time. So from the admin app, you're going to come up to your main menu in the top left corner. You're going to come down to your users tab. Within your users tab, you're going to locate the user you need to update those enrollments for. Once you've located them, you'll click onto that user ID to the far left of their name. Once you've clicked onto their user ID, you're going to come up to the Enrollments tab in the top left. And then from their enrollments, this will list out all of their enrollments, whether it's active, inactive, withdrawn. It'll list out all their enrollments they've had. So you'll select the box, check that box to the far left of any enrollments you're looking to update for that student or teacher. Once you've selected the enrollments, you're going to come up to the triple dots in the top right. It'll say Actions when hovered over. Once you've clicked onto the triple dots, you'll come down to the Bulk Update option from that drop-down menu. You have a few options with your bulk update, and this will include start date and end date. If you need to change the start date for a student's access, maybe it needs to be sooner or later than it is currently, you can either type in that date right there in the box, or you can use that calendar icon to the far right of the bar and look for the date that you are intending it to be. And you can do this for both the start date and the end date. You can update one or both at the same time. And then that very bottom checkbox, you want to make sure you check that on, that you're verifying that you're changing those enrollments. And you'll click Update in the top right when you're done. This will change the start date or the end date or whichever one you chose. And those will be the new enrollment dates for your student or teacher.